If your business depends on mobile technicians or remote field teams, having a dependable system for dispatching, scheduling, and follow up is critical. Managing these tasks manually or across disconnected tools often leads to delays, missed appointments, and poor customer experiences. Dynamics 365 Field Service solves that by giving you a connected, intelligent platform built for modern field operations. Designed by Microsoft, this solution helps companies coordinate service calls, dispatch the right technicians, track assets, manage customer interactions, and keep everything aligned from back office workflows to field execution. Whether you're in HVAC, energy, healthcare, or IT services, Dynamics 365 Field Service equips your team to respond faster, fix issues on the first visit, and exceed customer expectations. In this video, we'll focus on the key features that make Dynamics 365 Field Service one of the most powerful platforms for field service management today. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the intelligent work order management. At the heart of every service business is the work order, and Dynamics 365 handles it with impressive detail and automation. Work orders are created based on service requests, recurring maintenance contracts, or even IoT alerts when equipment malfunctions. Each work order can include service tasks, estimated duration, parts needed, service level agreements, and billing data. What makes this so effective is the connection between work orders and customer data. Every record is linked to contacts, assets, service history, and location, giving your team full context before they even arrive. This improves first time fix rates and helps techs feel more prepared and confident on every job. Another key feature is the visual scheduling and dispatch board. The scheduling board is where dispatchers plan and manage technician assignments in real time. It's a drag and drop interface that shows all available technicians, their locations, skills, and calendars. You can view jobs by day, week, or technician, and easily shift appointments to reduce travel time or balance workloads. Even better, the system includes AI based suggestions that recommend the right resource for each job, factoring in skills, proximity, and availability. This makes your scheduling team faster and more accurate while reducing manual errors or double booking. Another key feature is the mobile technician app. Field technicians work best when they're equipped with the right tools, and Dynamics 365 provides a full-featured mobile app that works on iOS, Android, and Windows. Technicians can view their job list, open work orders, collect customer signatures, take notes, capture photos, and scan barcodes all from their phone or tablet. Importantly, the app supports offline mode. If your team is working in remote areas or places with no signal, they can still complete work and sync it later when they reconnect. Another key feature is the customer communication and transparency. Keeping customers informed is just as important as doing the work. Dynamics 365 Field Service includes automated appointment reminders via SMS or email, technician ETA notifications, and real time status updates. After the job is complete, the system can trigger follow up surveys or service confirmations, helping you collect feedback and continuously improve. These customer engagement tools make your brand feel more responsive and professional, leading to higher retention and satisfaction scores. Another key feature is the asset and inventory tracking. Service businesses need more than just scheduling. They also need to manage inventory and equipment. With Dynamics 365, you can assign assets to customer locations and track their service history, warranty status, and maintenance schedules. This is ideal for companies maintaining HVAC systems, medical devices, or leased assets. You can also manage spare parts inventory across vans, warehouses, or service hubs. Inventory levels update automatically as jobs are completed, keeping everything accurate and reducing waste. So, why is it a great choice? Dynamics 365 Field Service gives you a complete field service platform that works across scheduling, customer communication, inventory, and performance tracking, all within the Microsoft ecosystem. It integrates seamlessly with Outlook, Microsoft Teams, Power BI, and Dynamics 365 customer service, giving you a unified experience from first contact to post service analysis. So in 2025, the platform continues to evolve with smarter AI scheduling, improved mobile experiences, and tighter integration with IoT for predictive maintenance. So whether you're focused on efficiency, cost savings, or better customer experiences, Dynamics 365 Field Service gives you the visibility and control to deliver consistent, high quality service every time. So, for organizations that rely on field teams, Dynamics 365 Field Service transforms how you plan, execute, and analyze service delivery. It eliminates manual scheduling headaches, keeps customers informed, empowers technicians in the field, and helps you improve operational performance across the board. So it's scalable. So whether you're managing 5 technicians or 500, with customizable workflows, it can adapt to just about any field service model. So basically, if you're ready to streamline field operations, reduce delays, and drive more value from every service visit, this platform is more than just a tool. It's your frontline advantage. So start using Dynamics 365 Field Service today and experience how it can help you with your work. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.